Hello guys! This video, of course, it's about you. It's about you when you, like an instructor, will teach Nitrox. First of all, the correct name, it is enriched air, but we like to say Nitrox. Why Nitrox? Because it's let our power combine. It sounds very nice, Nitrox. Actually, now we are breathing air, and air is nitrogen and oxygen, and it is nitrox too. Keep in mind the right name, it is enriched air. Especially I want to talk now about MOD. This can be something a little bit tricky to understand by your students. How can you teach very easily MOD in Nitrox course? We are breathing air with 21% oxygen. We have 1% different gases and 78%, we can say 79% nitrogen. When we are using Nitrox, we increase the oxygen percentage in our gas in tanks from 21 until maximum 40 if we are talking about recreational nitrox. And if we put more oxygen in what we breathe, then we should deduct something, of course, nitrogen. In this way, even we put less nitrogen in our tanks, for example 10% less, we will have a lot more button time and we can shorter surface intervals. One of the advantages using Nitrox actually. Let's go back to MOD, maximum operating depth. It is very hard to understand from your students how to calculate this very, very important number when we are diving with Nitrox. Easy pressure partial of oxygen. We calculate all the time with 1.4 bars. And the formula is very simple. 1.4 divided by what? 1.4 divided by the number of oxygen we have in our tanks. Let's say 0.32. Now, we will calculate the result. And I will cut this video to take my phone to make the calculation. Again here with my phone. All I need is just the calculator in the phone, and now I have 1.4 divided by 0.32. Now, what I have here, it is 4.37. What means this number? First of all, it is bar. This is the total pressure in which, if I use Nitrox 32, I am at the limit. What depth? This is MOD, maximum operating depth. What depth should you be to have 4.37 bars total pressure? Simple. 4.37 minus 1 bar. This is ambient pressure, surface pressure, air pressure, pressure above the water. Not more than 300 meters altitude. It's 1. Then we have 337 bars only water. At what depth? We will have 3.37 bar. It's simple, we divide 7 by 10, then we have 33.7 meters MOD. For what? For nitrox 32. Simple. Keep in mind, like a conclusion, 1.4 divided by percentage of oxygen, and we will have the maximum pressure. We are safe side using that percentage. At what depth we will have this pressure? MOD. Easy.